Today on Galore Flavors, I'll be showing you how to make the most amazing lasagna. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you're new, don't forget to give me a like and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and place some water in a pot and place about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once your water starts boiling, place your noodles in. As that's boiling, go ahead and start on your meat sauce. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and now place your onions to saute. Now place 1 pound of lean ground beef. Start sauteing your beef for 2 minutes. As we're sauteing our beef, I noticed that our noodles were ready, so remove and place in strainer. Once your beef has browned from both sides, go ahead and place 1 cup of baby spinach. Add half a cup of green onions. Saute your veggies and your meat together for 2 minutes on high heat. Add 3 cloves of garlic. Add 2 heaping tablespoons of paprika paste and a half a cup of water. 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of 7 spice, and 1 tablespoon of allspice. And mix it all up. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now it's time to get our baking tray ready. Go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the base of your tray. Start by laying your noodles into your tray by overlapping them. Place half an inch of meat over your noodles. Now spread half an inch of ricotta cheese over your meat. Now go on to your next layer. If you have some extra noodle hanging from the side, go ahead and cut it off. Now last step, go ahead and sprinkle some mozzarella cheese and cover the entire top. Add some oregano to the top. Cover with foil loosely. Now place this in the oven at 475 degrees for 25 minutes until you see that your mozzarella cheese has browned. And there you have it, the best meat lasagna you could ever have. Thank you for watching Galore Flavors. If you'd like, click down below to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes yet to come. You could also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys next time.